In this video, we're continuing to look at ways that we can integrate Adobe Spark with Microsoft Teams. And I've created a public gallery channel in this class team, and it's a space for me to share a virtual exhibition of student work. If I go across to my Adobe Spark page, you can see that I've already created a flowing exhibition of student work. And this is what I want to bring into Microsoft Teams. So to do this, we go up to Share in our Spark page window and we choose Publish and Share Link. Once the share link has been created, we go down and we choose the Microsoft Teams button. And here we are going to be sharing it to a channel, and I need to start typing the name of the team or channel in this space. If I quickly go back to Teams, I'm going to be typing this team name here, and I'll be looking for the public gallery channel. So let's go back to our share window and start entering that information. 2021, 10, and you can see as soon as I've typed that, we've got our matches. We have the general channel, which is the top one, and our public gallery channel, and that's the one that I want it to go into. Now here I'll just add some more information. Please enjoy our virtual art exhibition created using Adobe Spark page. And when I click share, you can see how instantly the content comes across into the correct channel in our Microsoft Teams space. So when students and other teachers see this in Teams, they simply click on this link. It will take them straight to a browser where they can engage with the content in the browser window.